Did you know that a single cloud can weigh more than 500 tons? Yes, this is what scientists have discovered after modern studies on how clouds form and how much water they carry in the atmosphere. The clouds we see as light and soft in the sky are actually made of millions of tiny water droplets. Their weight can be equal to hundreds of trucks, yet they remain suspended in the sky despite their enormous weight. What is truly remarkable is that the Quran described clouds over 1400 years ago as heavy clouds. This description appears in Surah Ar-Ra'd, expressing a precise reality at a time when there were no satellites or modern atmospheric science. This Quranic description was not merely poetic language, but a scientific reality that humans only confirmed in recent times. It invites us to reflect on the precision of the Quran and the greatness of the Creator. Every cloud carries its water, moves across the sky, and releases its rain exactly where it is destined.